Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase Google Meet Premium. So first, you may want to head over to workspace.google.com, then click on Products, then click on Meet. So from here, scroll down until you see this small window or toolbar. Then next is click on Premium. And here you can see a note that says sign up for Google Workspace or Google One Premium plan to access premium features. So basically, you just have to sign up, then purchase the Google One Premium plan or subscription. And that will also include the premium features for Google Meet. So just click on Google One Premium. Then from here, you can see five or six plans available that you can choose from. But of course, we're going to look for the premium plan, which is this one. You can also see the inclusions for this specific plan includes 2 terabyte of storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail, Gemini app, Flow with limited access to Veo 3.1, Whisk with Veo 3, 200 monthly AI credits, Notebook LM, Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Vids, and more, and all other benefits in the premium plan. All you have to do is start purchasing this plan, but you can also enjoy the free trial for 1 whole month. Then after that, you have to pay for the standard rate for this plan. So to proceed, just click on Start Trial. You can choose to pay monthly or annually, then press Continue. Agree to terms of service. Then next, you just have to add your payment method. So it could be a debit or credit card or through PayPal, or you can also pay on your phone. Then next is just follow all the on-screen prompts and finalize payment. Then once the purchase is done, you can now enjoy the premium features for Google Meet. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!